Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use TinyTask for Anime Vanguard. First, download and install TinyTask from its official website. Once installed, open the application to see its simple interface. You'll use this tool to record your actions, creating a macro that can be replayed to automate repetitive tasks within the game. This is the only way to truly optimize your gameplay. To begin, open Anime Vanguard and navigate to the area where you want to automate a task. Then, switch to TinyTask and click the Rec button. Now, carefully perform the actions you want to automate, such as clicking specific buttons or moving your character. Once finished, return to TinyTask and click Rec again to stop the recording. Precision is key here. After recording, click the play button in TinyTask to test your macro. Watch closely to ensure it performs as expected. If not, simply re-record. For continuous automation, go to TinyTask's preferences. Here, you can set the playback speed and choose to loop the macro indefinitely. This allows for hands-free grinding, saving you valuable time in Anime Vanguard. For optimal results, always ensure your Anime Vanguard game window is in the same position and size each time you run a macro. Small changes can cause errors. Thoroughly test your recorded sequences multiple times before leaving them to run for extended periods. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Using TinyTask wisely will significantly enhance your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.